Today, we're coloring an Asian girl's hair. Her hair has been damaged and broken from bleaching at other salons, yet the color still isn't light enough. She knows that I can bleach Asian hair properly. She wants the ends of her hair to be lighter. For this type of hair, we usually straighten it first, so it's easier to work with during the highlighting process. Straightening helps detangle the hair. You can see her hair has already broken a lot. The breakage happened because some foreign or Korean salons offer cheap bleaching, but their techniques are not up to standard. This has ruined her hair, causing a lot of breakage, which is common in salons in Australia. These young girls don't really understand, and even older ones aren't very knowledgeable. They think as long as someone can do it, that's enough. They don't really worry about who does it well or not, as long as it's not too expensive. We did highlights for her. For us Asians, doing highlights requires special attention and skill, so the process can be a bit more complicated. For this kind of hair, we usually charge around $400. She has two main concerns: the result and the technical requirements of the highlights. What we need to do is to apply the product in sections and adjust the bleach and developer ratios according to her hair condition. For the roots, we use a 1:2 ratio with 30 volume developer. Additionally, the bleach and developer we use are of high quality, so we know how good the results can be. In these situations, customers are usually very satisfied after the process. Many come to us because of our reputation, especially those who haven't had good results elsewhere. Our reputation is crucial here, as I specialize in handling these difficult cases, particularly with hair that others can't manage. During the application, we apply in sections. First, the darker root areas, and then the other parts, especially the ends. This technique comes from experimenting with different products and ratios to achieve the best results. I've been doing this for many years, constantly learning new things and gradually discovering products and methods that truly work. This type of hair is difficult to detangle, but highlighting is our specialty, especially when it comes to bleaching to white. We have excellent techniques to achieve very satisfactory results. You see, this is the result after washing. We didn't use any toner. We just washed it with shampoo, and the toner effect already came through. Since her hair had already been bleached once before, it was very easy to tone. You can check out the result afterward. For a girl like this, as long as she sees that I can do it well, she's satisfied. She may have tried many times at other places, but never achieved the lightness she wanted. However, she knows that I can achieve that level here. So, in this case, after blow drying, you can see the result, and she's very pleased. Her hair was already quite damaged, so we handled it very carefully. When blow drying, we started from the roots, and in the end, you can see that the result is very beautiful. Overall, we met the client's expectations, which is exactly what she wanted, and we successfully delivered on her expectations.